to explain the concept of acid and bases. Concepts of acid and bases. See, acid and bases theories are so many, but most important theories are four. Robert Boyle theory. According to Robert Boyle, explain the what is acid means. What is acid? The substance is so to taste. It is so to taste. Is a acid, and it is a corrosive nature. Corrosive in nature. Acid is a corrosive nature, and it turns blue litmus to red. Remember, A means acid, it turns AB. Next, base. Base means it is a bitter to taste. According to him, it is a bitter to taste. Means neem leaf and soap. Okay, and it is a soapy to touch. Soapy to touch means its slipping nature is more in base, and it will turn red litmus to blue. Okay, reverse. Next, what is the salt according to Robert Boyle? Salty to taste. Salty to taste. Okay, we can explain the properties, acid and base theory and the base of properties. And coming to Arrhenius theory. According to Arrhenius theory, any substance which donate the release the H plus. Any substance release the H plus is a acid. Suppose HCl, they release H plus Cl minus in water. That is in water. That is in water. H3O plus Cl minus. Any substance which release H plus, this is a acid according to Arrhenius. And what is the base? Any substance which release the OH minus. Releasing is a base like NaOH in water. That is important. Means the substance release the OH in water, that is known as base. Okay, NaOH is a base according to him. Okay, next, neutralization means the combination of acid and base. The combination of acid and base to form salt and water. That is the neutralization according to the Arrhenius theory. And what is the demerits? This theory is especially for only in aqueous solution. Only in aqueous. Means if you add the HCl and NaOH in benzene or kerosene and petrol, not only in non-aqueous solution, we can't explain it is acid or base. This theory is applicable for only aqueous solution. Only in aqueous solution. Okay. Coming to Bronsted-Lowry theory. Bronsted-Lowry theory is the donating of proton. Donating of proton. Proton means, what is the proton? Donating of proton means H plus. Base means accepting of proton. The proton means H plus. Okay. And what is, according to him, what is the neutralization? The transfer of proton from acid to base. Like HCl is an acid according to him, NH3 is a base according to him. They HCl transfer the proton, they form NH4 plus and Cl minus. Transfer of proton from acid, this is a strong acid. HCl is strong acid, NH3 is a strong base. Strong acid and strong base combined, they form conjugative acid and conjugative base, but they form weak. What is the conjugate acid and base pair? The acid and base pair differ by single proton. The acid and base pair is differ by single proton. The acid and base pair is differ by single proton. This is NH4 plus and NH3. What is the difference? One proton is different. HCl and Cl minus. What is the difference? Single proton is different. The acid and base pair is differ by single proton is known as conjugate acid base pair. If a strong acid, they produce weak to conjugate base. If strong base, they produce weak conjugate acid, vice versa. Okay. He also explained the what is the merits. He explained. He explained strength of acids and base. And also this Brownstein-Lowry theory applicable for non-aqueous solution, also non-aqueous solution only. Here only it is applicable to aqueous solution. What is the demerits? If not explain the acidic nature of AlCl3 and BF3. If not explain the acidic nature of AlCl3 and BF3. This is the demerits. And coming to Lewis acid base. What is the acid means according to him? Accepting of electron pair. What is the base? Donating of electron pair. Here remember A, you remember B, D. You remember. Acid means accepting of electron A, base means BD, donating of electron pair. What is the neutralization? Formation of the coordinate covalent bond. Formation of the coordinate covalent bond. So according to him, BF3 is a Lewis acid and NH3 is a Lewis base. They form coordinate covalent bond. So this is the coordinate covalent bond. Lewis neutralization. It is an acid. Why it is acid? Because they accept the electrons. Why NH3 has more electrons? NH3 have more electrons, lone pair electron. That's why donate means base. He also explained some classification Lewis acid and Lewis base. According to him, any cation, positive charge is a Lewis acid. Cations. Any anions, negative charge, is a Lewis base. And second, electron deficient compound means less electron deficient compounds like AlCl3, BF3. Okay, here electron rich compounds. Electron rich means contain lone pair electron. Electron rich compounds contain lone pair electrons. Like NH3, H2O, ROH, because they contain lone pair electrons. That's why they act as a Lewis base. And another important point here, atom have sextet, means 6 electrons in outermost cell, like sulfur, oxygen, selenium, tellurium. And molecule having vacant d orbitals. Into d orbitals. In central atom, like SnCl2, SF4, so many is there. Okay, means they have vacant d orbitals on the central vacant d orbital. That's why they accept. The last important point: multiple bonds between different elements. Multiple bonds between different elements like CO2, NO2, CO2, NO2, SO2, SO3 means this compound contain multiple bond between different elements. Here multiple bonds present between similar atoms, same atoms, like acetylene, triple bond between CH and ethylene, C2H2, C2H4, and CO and NO. These are the ligands contain lone pair electron. That's why donate the electrons. Different elements with different multiple bonds, but they have lone pair. They can act as a ligands in the complex compounds. That's why they act as a Lewis base. Remember, central metal act as a Lewis acid. They accept the electrons. Suppose metal is there, ligand. This metal act as a Lewis acid because they accept electrons. They accept the electron, and this ligand act as a Lewis base because they donate the electrons.